Hello kids. I hope you all are enjoyed Dasara festival and you are fine and safe in your home. So we are back to study. Okay kids. Today I am going to teach a new lesson. Lesson number 4. States of India. Lesson number 4. States of India. In this lesson, we shall study India as a country and the different states of India. In this lesson, we are going to study India as a country and the different states of India. We belong to a beautiful country called India. We belong to a beautiful country called India. India is a beautiful country and we are belong to India. India is located in the continent of Asia and is surrounded by Arabian Sea on its west, the Bay of Bengal on its east, and the Indian Ocean in the south. India is located in the continent of Asia. On earth, 7 continents are there. In that 7 continents, India belongs to Asia. And this one, India is surrounded by Arabian Sea on its west. Look here kids, in the west side, Arabian Sea is there and the Bay of Bengal on its west. India's west side, which one? Arabian Sea, and east side, Bay of Bengal, and the south side, Ocean, which one? Indian Ocean is there. West side, Arabian Sea, east side, Bay of Bengal, and the south side, Indian Ocean. India is surrounded by 3 sides water and 1 side land. All of you know this one. Okay, it is our country. India's map is there and inside it small states are there. Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh. This type, how many states are there in this one India, in this map kids? India comprises 29 states. 29 states and 7 union territories. India comprises 29 states and 7 union territories. Okay kids, do you know the great Himalaya to the north of the India separate us from the countries lying on the other side? The north of India, the Himalaya, the great Himalaya lies on the north of India. That separates our country from the other side of the countries. The great Himalayas lies here. It is here. It separates our country and other different countries. Okay kids. Next. Ours is a democratic country. Our India is democratic country. Here, one that elect its own government. We elect our own government. We have 2 types of government that functions at 2 levels. In India, 2 types of governments are there and that government functions at 2 levels. One is that makes law for the entire country. One government is that make a law for whole entire country, that is called the central or union government. The government which makes the law for whole entire country, that is called the central government. And again the second one is that makes law for particular state as known as the state government. Again one government is there. For example, Madhya Pradesh, it is a state and its government makes only laws for Madhya Pradesh. Karnataka, Karnataka government make a laws for only Karnataka, not a Maharashtra, Kerala, Tamil Nadu. They are different states. There also government is there. They make their laws for their own states. Understood, no kids? Here, state government and whole central government. Two types of governments are there in India. Those are make a laws for states. They are called the state governments. And those make a law for whole country. That government is called the central government or union government. Understood, no? Two types of government, state government and central government. The central government comprises the president, the prime minister and the other senior member of the central government. The central government comprises include president, prime minister and some senior members from the central government. Understood, kids? All these officials live in Delhi. All these officials live in Delhi. Rashtrapati Bhavan is the official home of the President of India while 7. Rashtrapati Bhavan is the official home the President of the India while 7. Race course road 7 race course road is the official residence of the Prime Minister. 7 race course road is the residence of the Prime Minister. The central government is responsible for the certain issues that related to the entire country and its overall well-being. Additionally, it handles the administration of the 7 union territories. The central government is responsible for the certain issues related to the whole entire country. It handles the issues whatever happening. It handles. Who handles? Central government handles whole entire country's issues. Understood, kids? Additionally, it handles the administration of the 7 union territories. Who handles? Central government. Central government handles the entire issues of the country and 7 union territories. Now, the structure of the government is uniform across all the states of India. The structure of the government is uniform across all the states of India. The state government is more in charge of the matters relating its own state. Here in states, they are charged their only entire states issues. They not handle the other states issues. They handle their only own state. For example, Karnataka's government handle only Karnataka's issues. Maharashtra government handle only Maharashtra issues. Understood, no kids? They are called the state governments. Every state also has its own capital and chief minister. 29 states are there. 29 states has own capitals and their own chief ministers. The state government carry out specific function to ensure proper functioning of the state. The state government carries out specific functions to ensure the proper functioning of their own states. The governor, chief minister and the other minister and the senior officials take part to running the state governments. In state governments, the governor, chief minister, other ministers and the senior officers take part to run that one state. They are called the state government. These officials reside in the state they represent. These officials reside in the state they represent. Now kids, we are going to see the different states of India and their capital city. Okay? Different states of India and their capital city. Do you know questions? We will see after this one lesson. Look here kids, India comprises 29 states and 7 union territories. We are going to see the states and their capitals. Okay? We are going to see the alphabetically wise they are arranged the state's name. Andhra Pradesh and its capital is the Hyderabad. Andhra Pradesh and its capital is Hyderabad. You find out where is the Andhra Pradesh and its capital in this one map. Look at here kids. Andhra Pradesh is there here and its capital is Hyderabad. Arunachal Pradesh. Its capital is Itnagar. Arunachal Pradesh, its capital is Itnagar. Find out the Arunachal Pradesh where it is there. And its capital, Itnagar, it is here kids. This time you read this one, all states and capitals and find out here in this map. For example, Karnataka and its state Bangalore, Maharashtra, its state Mumbai, Madhya Pradesh, its state Bhopal, Rajasthan, its state Jaipur. This type you only try to find out the states names are given and capitals names are given. Okay, now next, Bihar states its capital is Patna, Chhattisgarh, Raipur, Goa, Panaji, Gujarat state and its capital is Gandhinagar. Haryana, Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh, it is a state and these are the capital states. Shimla, Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar, summer in Srinagar and Jammu in winter. Jharkhand has its capital Ranchi, Karnataka's capital is Bengaluru. Kerala, state is Kerala and its capital Tirunelveli. Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal. Maharashtra, Mumbai. Manipur state and its capital is Impal. Meghalaya, its capital is Shillong. Mizoram, its capital is Aizawl. Nagaland, its capital is Kohima. Odisha, its capital city is Bhubaneswar. Punjab, its capital is Chandigarh, share with Haryana. Rajasthan, its capital Jaipur. Sikkim, its capital is Gangtok. Tamil Nadu, its capital city, capital is the Chennai. Telangana, its capital Hyderabad, shared with the Andhra Pradesh. Tripura, its capital Agartala. Uttar Pradesh, its capital Lucknow. Uttarakhand, its capital Dehradun. West Bengal is a state and its capital is Calcutta. Okay, this type you find out the states and their capital cities in their map. Okay kids, now we are going to see 7 territories and their capitals. Andaman and Nicobar Island is there. Their capital city is the Port Blair. Chandigarh capital cities. Dadra and Nagar Haveli is the Silvassa. Daman and Diu, its capital is Daman. Lakshadweep, its capital is the Kavaratti. Delhi National Capital Territory is the Delhi. Pondicherry's capital city is the Pondicherry. Understood kids? This type you read this one capital states and their capital cities. Okay.